G'day folks, and welcome to another Ken's Home video. Today we're going to see the 2010 Muscle Car Masters. Okay folks, here we go with the Group NC. You've got some later model Mustangs, some Camaros, some XU1s, Monaros, rotary Mazdas, a couple of old Porsches. Away we go, Group NC. Here we go for the Group NC. We've got the Camaro and the XY GT Falcon, Glenn Seaton in the Capri, and the ex-Pete Gagan Mustang, followed by Paul Stubber in the Camaro. This is a view from turn 2, and they're all behaving themselves fairly nicely for the first lap. It makes a great sight as we look out over Corporate Hill on the first lap. They all charge around. One of the great things about the Group NC category is the variety of cars from the late 60s to the early 70s. You know, you got things like Mazda RX-2s and Ford Capri GTs, Holden Kingswoods, Chevy Camaros, GDR Tiranas, GTHO Falcons, Porsches, Mustangs, Datsun 1600s. You name them, they're all there. There's plenty of different variety. just looking at the HG Monaro of 777, Fred Brain. It's the only one that's road registered, so good on you, Fred. 350 Monaro. For this year's Muscle Car Masters, I only came out on the 2 days, the Saturday and the Sunday, which is the compilation of filming you're seeing here. Friday was way too wet, and even Saturday morning was a little bit wet, as you saw in the Group NB race. It fined up towards the afternoon for the latter events. I don't mind Eastern Creek Raceway. It's really spectator friendly. Most, even during the big events, you can still drive around the outside and stop off at different points. This one's on the main straight, and we're looking right into turn 9 on Corporate Hill. Just a short drive around. You can even get into turn 2 reasonably by driving up and over the hill. So it's definitely a spectator friendly type of track. Road registered Monaro seems to be going alright, so holding its own against Camaro race cars and Mustangs. So good on you, Fred, not doing too bad. Must be a hell of a beast to drive on the road. Seems to go alright round the corners at Eastern Creek. You've got to love some of the sound of the old V8s, whether it's a Camaro or a Kingswood or a Mustang or a GT Falcon. When you hear them come down the main straight past you, they just sound unbelievable. Okay folks, that's the end of the Group NC. As a compilation of a few races, there was a couple of winners, and one of them was Glenn Seaton, but I'm not sure who won this one. But anyway, to top all this off, Paul Stubber had a bit of fun. This was in a different race, but it was in his Camaro nevertheless that he runs in Group NC. He goes a little bit wild. So I'll finish Group NC with Paul Stubber showing off.
What do you think?